Americans Uncensored Coffee Break. My adventure today is to work on walls that had wallpaper on it. Wallpaper was removed and took off some of the drywall coating. So there's several steps that had to be done. One was to get the drywall primed, prepped for painting. So there was a clear coat to lock down the drywall damaged areas, then a prime coat, now a skim coat over the damaged areas to make the walls smooth again. So that's what we're working on. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.